How to make a slice of DataFrame and Fillna in specific slice using Python Pandas. The problem: let us take Titanic dataset from Kaggle. I have DataFrame with columns class, sex, and age. I need to fill Nan in column age with a median for certain group. If it is a woman from first class, I would like to fill her age with the median for first class women, not with the median for whole age column. The question is how to make this change in a certain slice. I tried. Where the median is my value, but nothing changes in place equals true didn't help. Thanks a lot.
I believe you need filter by masks and assign back. What is same as? Edit. If need, replace all groups nans by median.
I want to add an answer here that is a bit more efficient, as it involves a little less code. Essentially, if you are using Boolean conditions to slice your data frame and are using .Fillna under those specific conditions, just use an assignment. I will use an example from a different Kaggle competition. This is different than Jezreel's answer in that she uses .Fillna to assign back to the mask data frame. If you are going to use a mask and have a specific value in mind, there is no need to use .Fillna.
In case you want to do the same for every groups, you can use this trick.
Update.
In my machine, running this is as the previous without renaming. While the mask solution took at Jezreel solution is even faster.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.